So in this video, we are going to learn how to build AI agent to generate Instagram caption from images. Let's say you have basically created or scheduled some images which you have to post on Instagram, and your tedious task is generating caption for each and every post. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build an AI agent and completely automate this process. Now this AI agent will get the new images which you have to post on Instagram, which we will be uploading into a Google Drive folder. So every time we upload a new image on our Google Drive folder, this AI agent will get the new image and the same image will be sent to OpenAI. Using OpenAI, we are going to analyze that image and OpenAI is going to generate a suitable caption for the same image as well. After generating the caption, at last we are going to add the image link, the caption and the image file name, all of these details in your Google spreadsheet where you can review all of this data and all the captions generated for the image. Now if you want to learn how you can build this AI agent all by yourself, for that let me just take you to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Google Drive folder in which I will be uploading the images which we have to post for Instagram. And the AI agent which we are going to build in this video, using this AI agent, whenever we are going to add the image, this AI agent will capture the new images from this Google Drive folder and then it will send it to OpenAI. Using OpenAI, we are going to analyze that image and OpenAI is going to give us a suitable Instagram post caption for the same image as well. After getting the caption, at last, we are going to add the caption, image file name and the image URL which we have uploaded on Google Drive in our Google spreadsheet over here. Now to build this, we have to basically create an AI agent which will be connecting all of these applications. And to create this AI agent, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Now to get started with Pabbly Connect, we just have to go to a browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see we have reached to Pabbly Connect's landing page. Here you can see we have two options, sign in and sign up free. Now, if you are new to Pabbly, by clicking on this sign up free button, you can set up your free Pabbly account in just 2 minutes. Or if you're an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. After signing in, we will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. And here we just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And as we click on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. After reaching to this dashboard, we have to create a workflow for our AI agent. For that, just click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. So let's say I would like to name my workflow as AI agent for Instagram captions. Instagram captions. So you can basically give any other name as per your choice. After that, here in folder, we have to select the folder of our Pabbly Connect account in which we want to set up this workflow and click on create. And as we click on create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation, this whole AI agent concept works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger step. Now the idea here is first we have to connect our Google Drive account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. So that whenever a new image is added in this Google Drive folder, the same image will be captured by Pabbly Connect and this AI agent will trigger. So here in our trigger step, we are going to search for Google Drive. Just select it. After selecting Google Drive and trigger event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as new file in specific folder. Because we want to trigger this AI agent, start this AI agent whenever a new image is uploaded into this specific folder of Google Drive. So here we have selected this trigger event. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Google Drive account with Pabbly Connect. To make this connection, just click on this sign in with Google button and here from the pop-up window, select your Google Drive account. Then just scroll down and click on continue. And as we click on continue, we will see our Google Drive account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the folder or subfolder, that from which particular folder or subfolder we want to capture the new files, new images over here. And in this drop-down, you can see a list of all the folders and subfolders which we have created in our Google Drive account. Out of all of this, the folder name is Instagram post from which we want to capture the new files, new images. So here from this drop-down, we are going to select the same folder over here. After selecting the folder, when we will click on this Save and Send Test Request button, the details of the last file, the most recent file which we have uploaded on this folder will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So right now you can see in this folder, we don't have any image. So let me just upload an image on my Google Drive folder. So we will just click on this new button, select file upload, and from my system, I will be uploading an image over here. So this image is being uploaded on our Google Drive folder and the image is uploaded. So this is the image which I want to post on my Instagram profile for which we will be generating the caption. Now after uploading the image, we'll get back to Pabbly Connect and click on this save and send test request button. And as you click on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received the response. And in this response, we have received the details of the same file. Like here we have the web view link of the same file. If we copy this link and paste it in a new tab, the same image will open in front of us. Now here after that, we have the direct download link of the same file as well. So if I copy this link and open it in a new tab, the same image will be downloaded on my system. So here you can see that within seconds, the same image is downloaded over here. Now here you can see that if we scroll down, you can see rest of the details of the same file as well. Like we have the account email details, we have the file name over here. This is the original file name, which we will be later on adding in our Google spreadsheet. And we have rest of the details. So in this way, you can capture the details of a file uploaded on our Instagram folder over here in our Pabbly Connect workflow by our AI agent. But one thing that you will notice that the share permission of this file, this image which we have uploaded, is private to only me. And with this share permission, we can't share this image with OpenAI to generate the caption. So what we have to do, we have to change the share permission of the images which we are uploading on this Google Drive folder. And instead of changing the share permission of each and every image one by one, what we can do, we can change the share permission of this complete folder on our Google Drive. Just click on this folder name, from the drop down go to share and click on this share option. Then here you can see that in general access, it is restricted right now. From the drop down, select anyone with the link and then we are just good to go. Just click on this done button and we have basically changed the share permission of each and every file which we are uploading on this folder. And now you can just send this link to anyone or to any platform and they can access this image. So in this way, the step 1 of building this AI agent is completed and we have received the image URL in our AI agent, in our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, let's move to step 2, where we are going to send this same image to OpenAI, and using OpenAI, we are going to generate a caption for the image as well. So we will just scroll down, come to this action step, and here in choose app, we will search for OpenAI. Just select it. After selecting OpenAI, an action event from the drop down, select the action event as extract content from PDF/image. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our OpenAI account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. To get it, just go to your OpenAI account and go to the dashboard section. After coming to dashboard, from the left sidebar, go to API keys and under API keys, click on this create new secret key button. Give this API key a name. Let's say I'll name it as Pabbly Connect. You can give any other name as per your choice. Then just select the project of your OpenAI account for which you are generating this API key. Select the permission as all and click on this create secret key button. And as you click on create secret key, the API key will be generated. Just copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And then just click on save. And as you click on save, here you can see our OpenAI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the OpenAI model, that which model of OpenAI we want to use to basically generate the caption from the image. So here you can see in the drop down right now we have 4 options: GPT-4o Mini, GPT-4o, O1 and GPT-4 Turbo. So let's say I want to use GPT-4o Mini as a model, as an AI model to generate the caption from the image. Then it is asking us for the image or PDF URL. And here we have to enter the URL, the link of our image which we have uploaded on Google Drive for which we want to generate the caption. So we have received the image file link from Google Drive in the trigger step. So here from the trigger step responses, we have to basically add this response of the download link of our image in this OpenAI action step. Now to add the download link from trigger step responses, from Google Drive trigger step responses to this OpenAI action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of image/PDF URL, and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Google Drive of a new file in the folder. And out of all of these responses, select this response of web content link, basically the download link of the file, and it will be mapped. After mapping the image URL, it is asking us for the prompt, that what do we want OpenAI to do with this image. So I have already created a prompt to generate the caption from the image. Let me just enter this prompt over here. Okay, so this is the prompt which I have entered. The prompt says you are a social media expert, you are given an image. Based on its content, your task is to write a short, engaging, and creative Instagram caption. And also, we have added some guidelines that what kind of caption we want OpenAI to write. Also, we have mentioned to not include hashtag within the caption body. The hashtag should be added only after 2 lines of gap in the caption. So in this way, you can basically give the prompt as per your choice that what kind of caption you want OpenAI to generate for the images. And after that, here because we are just generating one response of caption and we are not generating anything extra, any other responses other than that, so we can just keep this field of structured output as blank for now and click on Save and Send Test Request. Now, as you click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see within few seconds, we are going to receive some response over here. So we just have to wait for a few seconds. And yes, here you can see that within few seconds, we have received the response. And in this response, in front of message content, we have received the caption. And here it is. The caption says, chasing sunset and village vibes along with turning Amalfi Coast, who's ready for an adventure. And here you can see we have the caption and some hashtags after that. So in this way, we have basically sent the image to OpenAI and asked it to generate the caption, and it has given us the caption as well. After generating this caption, we want to add the image details, the image link, file name, and the caption in our Google spreadsheet using this same AI agent. For that, we will just scroll down, click on this Add Action Step button, and then here in Choose App, we will search for Google Sheets. Just select it. After selecting Google Sheets, in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Add New Row, and then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to just click on this Sign in with Google button. Now after that, here in this pop-up window, select your Google Sheets account, then just scroll down and click on Continue. And as we click on Continue, we will see our Google Sheets account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, we have to select the spreadsheet. So in this drop-down, you can see a list of all the spreadsheets which we have in our Google Sheets account. Out of all of this, the spreadsheet in which we have to add these details is named as Instagram post. So here you can see that I'm just going to select the same spreadsheet over here. Now in this Google spreadsheet, you can see we have only one sheet named as sheet 1. That's why by default in this dropdown, we have only one option of sheet 1 and we are going to select it. Then all the columns of data which we have created in this Google Sheet, you can see all of these columns as fields over here. So we have created 3 columns of caption, image file name and image URL. And we can see that the same 3 fields are added. Now, one by one, the details from the previous step which we have received, the caption which we have received from OpenAI, and the file name and file URL which we have received from Google Drive trigger step, we have to one by one add these details over here. And once again, we will use the same process of mapping to add the details. Just click here in the field of caption and here from the drop down from OpenAI responses, select the response of caption and it will be mapped. Then we are just going to map the image file name. So from Google Drive responses, we will search for the name of the file over here. So let's scroll down the original file name and map it. And at last, in image URL from Google Drive responses, either you can enter the web view URL or you can enter the download URL as well. So let's say right now, I just want to add the web view URL. So I'm selecting web view URL over here. After mapping this link over here, adding the file name, mapping the file name and mapping the caption, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as you click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the data which we have mapped over here is now added as a new row in our Google spreadsheet. So let's check it. We will just go to the Google Sheet and yes, here you can see that in our Google spreadsheet, the same details are now added over here. You can see the same captions which are generated by OpenAI. We have the same file name which we have uploaded in Google Drive and we have the link, the URL of the same file over here which we have uploaded on Google Drive. So in this way, you can see the AI agent which we have built using Pabbly Connect, this AI agent is working perfectly fine. Now, after setting up this AI agent, we are going to test this AI agent once. For that, we will just go to our Google Drive account and we are going to upload another image over here. So I'll just click on this new button, select file upload, and then from my system, I'll just upload an image over here. So we are just now uploading this image on our Google Drive folder. And as we upload this image over here, you can see that within 10 minutes, this AI agent will send the same image to OpenAI, generate the caption, and add the details in Google Sheet. And it basically takes 10 minutes of time because the connection between our Google Drive and Pabbly Connect workflow, this AI agent, is a polling-based connection. And in this type of connection, Pabbly Connect will check for this AI agent will check for new images, new files in our Google Drive folder every 10 minutes. So let's wait for 10 minutes over here. Okay, so we have successfully waited for 10 minutes. Now let's check our Google spreadsheet. And yes, here you can see that in our Google Sheet, the details are added. Here you can see this is the caption which was given by OpenAI. The caption says, exploring the charming canals and whimsical buildings of Amsterdam. Who is ready to set sail on this stunning adventure? So we have this caption given by OpenAI and also we have some hashtag added by it. Also the same file name which we have uploaded on our Google Drive folder is added over here. And also you can see that we have the link of the same image added in our Google spreadsheet. If you click on this link, the same image will open in new tab. So in this way, we have tested this AI agent and it is working perfectly fine. So not just this, you can build AI agent and automate a lot of applications and a lot of tasks related to your business. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you the clone link of the same AI agent in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone this agent into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using it for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this workflow and build this AI agent, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.